What's going on, guys? Welcome back to Keegan's Kitchen. In today's video, I'm about to show you how to make the best brown stew chicken Jamaican style. Let's go. So we're gonna start off by washing our ingredients, all right? Our broccolini, I have some one tomato, some bell peppers, scallion, yellow onion, ginger, and some scotch bonnet pepper. All right, so we're gonna wash it, make sure it's nice and clean, and then we're gonna jump right into the video, right into this recipe. Let's go. Shake off that extra water. All right, so we're just gonna set the broccolini aside. Wash our bell peppers. Tomato. Alright, I think we should be good. Alright, so we're gonna blend our seasoning together, like scallion, the scotch bonnet pepper, garlic, and some onion. Blend it all together with some water, and then we're gonna use that as a marinade. Stay tuned. Yeah, man, so we just wanna chop up this real quick. Chop it in two smaller pieces. Get a little water. Not too much. Maybe half a cup to a cup of water. Add in all these lovely fresh seasoning ingredients. And then we're gonna start blending. All right, all that blending should take like maybe a few seconds, not much. All right, so we're gonna set our marinade or fresh green seasoning aside, and then we're gonna clean up the chicken, wash it up, and then we're gonna apply the seasoning and start the cooking process. So continue to watch the video. And if you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, guys, click that subscribe button. You see me I say? Subscribe, like, share, and leave a comment. All right? Stay tuned. Come on, clean the carrot a little bit. Yeah, man, so let's go give the carrots a nice little chop. Nothing fancy, Just chop it up any way you want. Alright. And then we're gonna cut up the bell peppers as well. Rough chops, And the bell peppers, guys, with the carrot, the tomato, we're gonna throw that in a pot after we sear everything and saute it and add in the water. We're gonna put in this maybe in the last 10 minutes. Leave it nice and crunchy. Yeah, man, and it's gonna add a nice little flavor to the brown stew chicken as well. Yeah, man. Like I said, guys, you don't have to be fancy with cutting up your bell peppers right now. You just chop it up as fast as possible. Yeah. Tomato. Alright, so we're gonna set our fresh vegetables aside until the last 10 minutes of the video. That's when we're gonna throw all this lovely ingredients inside the pot. Alright. Alright. So we're just gonna rinse the cutting board off real quick. And then we're gonna start working on the chicken. This is the chicken right here. One whole chicken, guys. Alright, so we're gonna clean it up nice and proper, same way. Drain off the water real quick. cut into it. Remove the skin. This is a personal choice. You don't have to do it, but you know, remove some of that extra fat. If I'm frying the chicken like, you know, deep fried chicken, then I'll leave the fat on, leave the skin on. But for this video, for the most part, I'm gonna remove some of that skin, you know? I'm gonna remove that fat, guys. And then we're gonna clean out the inside. And after we're done chopping the chicken and all that, we're gonna rinse it off with some water and some vinegar, you know? Yeah, man. Yeah, man, so we're gonna add some vinegar. Give it a nice little wash. And we're gonna rinse this off like 2 to 3 times, guys, just to make sure you remove any slime or anything like that, you know, make sure it's nice and clean. I think we should be good. All right, so now we're gonna set this aside, guys, and start combining our seasoning. So for today's recipe, you're gonna need 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning, 1 tablespoon of all-purpose seasoning, you're gonna need a teaspoon of cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, guys. A little extra spice. 1 teaspoon of chili powder. Drop that in. You're gonna need some paprika. We're gonna add 1 teaspoon as well. We're gonna also be adding some cock seasoning. Add a nice flavor. 1 teaspoon. One teaspoon of black pepper. We're gonna add 1 packet of Szechuan seasoning. Empty the entire packet. And now we're gonna start mixing our seasoning. Now you want to mix everything together, guys, until it's nicely combined. Everything's even. All right. So now we're gonna just add this to our chicken that we cleaned earlier. Set that aside. I'm also gonna add some pimento seasoning. Liquid seasoning. Add about a decent amount, about 2 tablespoons. Gonna add some Jamaican Brown seasoning. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Ooh. Not too much. Just like that. All right. And don't forget your green seasoning. Go add that in. Like that. It's already smelling good. Smelling the flavor from the Scotch bonnet pepper and all the other ingredients combined together, you know? It's always good to add your natural seasoning, guys. You add a better, much better flavor, you know, to your dish. All right, so we're gonna let this marinate in the fridge for 2 hours and then we're gonna start cooking. I mean, obviously if you marinate it for 24 hours or more, the longer the better, all right? Yeah, man. So right now, I'm just gonna get some water for the rice. You know. Yeah, man. So I added about just enough, about 4 tablespoons of vegetable oil, and turn your stove to about high heat, extra high, because you want the oil to be extremely hot, and then you're gonna get a nice sear. All right, so we're gonna sear the chicken, and then we're gonna add in the liquid, you know, that we marinated the chicken in with some extra water. Cook it for about 30 minutes, and then we're gonna add our fresh chopped veggies. Woo! Yeah, man. Yeah, man, the yellow rice, guys, is looking lovely. It's looking good. All right, so as you can see, it's boiling right now. So we're gonna turn the heat all the way down to a low heat and let it simmer. Yeah, man. So this rice cooking should take about 15 to 20 minutes. Yeah, man. So after a few minutes, just go ahead and flip your chicken. Stir it up a little bit. Just make sure it's you know, it's evenly seared and all that stuff, all that good stuff. You want to get a nice little char, you know, to the chicken. All right, and then we're gonna close it down for a minute. Like I said earlier, guys, you want to add some water to this marinade. All right, so we're gonna add about 2 to 3 cups of water to this marinade. Mix it up, and then we're gonna pour this on top of the chicken real quick. Pour that on top. And like I said, you want to cook that for about 30 minutes. Yeah, man, 30 minutes, guys, and then we're gonna add in everything after that. Close them down. Yeah, man, so while the chicken are going to stew and the rice are going to cook, yeah, man, we're gonna cut off the edges, just the tips of the broccolini, and then we're gonna let it sit for a minute. And then, like right when the chicken is cooked and the rice is ready, we're gonna sear this down, saute it, maybe add a little cheese to it, a little seasoning, you know, spice it up a little bit, and we're gonna plate it right on the side. So continue to watch the video, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, comment, and share. Yeah, man, so we're at that final 10-minute mark. I'm gonna add some brown sugar just to balance out the flavor a little bit, and I'm also gonna add some ketchup. Not much. Then we're gonna add in the veg, the carrot, the onion, garlic, ginger, everything. Yeah, man. Tomato, carrot, and bell peppers, guys. Mix it up. Smelling good. Watch that. It's looking good already. Alright, so right now we're gonna close on the pot cover. Close it down. I'll make it cook for about 10 more minutes and we should be good. Wow. Good. Yeah, man, so now we're gonna steam our broccolini. So we're gonna add a little bit of butter. Drop that in. And once the butter is fully melted, then we're gonna add in the broccolini, a little bit of salt and pepper. Keep it simple. Maybe a half cup of water, close the lid down and let it steam until it's al dente. Nice and crunchy, perfectly cooked. Add your broccolini. Then we're gonna add some salt and pepper. A little bit of tarragon. a little bit of water. Close the lid and let it steam, baby. Let it steam. See you in a bit. Look at that, guys. Yeah man, so brown stew chicken, guys, is ready. It's nice and soft, falling off the bone. You know, the veggies them still tender, crunchy. Yeah man. So now we're gonna add everything to our plate, make it look nice and clean, fancy, and then we're gonna do a taste test. Continue to watch the video. Yeah man, so time for that taste test. Wow, this is amazing, guys. The chicken, nice and tender. It's not overly seasoned. You know, the spice is just right. You know, it's not taking over the other flavors. You know, everything is just perfect. All right, so let me try the broccolini. Good stuff, good stuff. This is straightforward, a little salt and pepper to it. You're tasting the little kick from that black pepper and the saltiness from the salt. You know, it's just right. And yellow rice, you know, there's not much to it. You know, it's just the way it is. It's yellow rice. It's well seasoned, you know, perfectly cooked. Shelly rice, you know, not overcooked. Yeah man, everything is perfectly cooked, guys. Yeah man, this is a must try recipe, guys. Definitely check it out. Let me know what you think in the comment section, alright?